Aloha! Happy Friday! Thanks for tuning in. This is Adele Brienne back with you with another week. This week we are on E for excitement. So, one thing you may or may not know about me is that I have a whole second business where I'm a character actress. And so I actually get to dress up in costumes and wigs and accessories. And I have so much fun here in Maui, Hawaii, entertaining people at parties and weddings and events and grand openings and festivals and all sorts of things where I get to turn into different characters. So I just wanted to share with you that I'm so excited that it's October, Halloween's coming up. I have an entire walk-in closet filled with costumes to choose from. So when Halloween comes around, I basically get to go through my costume closet and just start digging around and seeing what I can come up with. I've got flapper dresses, which I think is really fun. I was considering maybe just being a flapper this year. Obviously the wig doesn't kind of fit the style of flapper, and I've got like an LED head thing going on, or I could, just put on like, I could flip out the flower crown and go like super funky, like witch style, right? Like which do you like better? So, anyways, I know I'm getting really silly here. And like I just have literally like so many things. It's unbelievable. So I just wanted to share with you some of my excitement and joy over it being Halloween month and costume time. So if you love costumes and you love dressing up, hit me up with a smiley or emoji below and just let me know how excited you are that Halloween is coming. All right, I hope you have a great weekend. Thanks for tuning in. This is Adele Brienne, and this week we were just talking about something exciting. All right, aloha.